In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make an easy fire starter using old candle and the sawdust. It's simple, budget-friendly, and works great, even in a strong wind. Let's get started. You can heat it up on any stove. Here, I'm using an old Optimus 111B. Before lighting the stove, I add a few drops of alcohol and light it. The alcohol's heat helps vaporize the fuel. Using a stove that's over 60 years old to make these fire starters makes me feel even more meaningful. The more candle wax you use, the longer it burns, and the hotter the flame gets. A 1-inch square fire starter can easily burn for over a minute and light up pretty thick sticks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe.